Welcome to Travel Hacking Mastery. My name is Jesper, and together with Eric, I will be instructing this course. Now, first of all, thank you so much for being here. We're really excited to have you here, and we wanted to take a brief moment to introduce ourselves. So I have been traveling around the world for over 5 years, and I've traveled to over 60 countries. And during my travels, I have really saved a ton of money by using a credit card for most of my spending and earning thousands of airline reward points, and really by spending those points in the most efficient way. Now, so I know quite a bit about travel hacking, but I'm super thrilled to be teaching this course with the #1 travel hacking expert that I know of, and that is Eric.
Hey everybody, I'm Eric, and thank you for being a part of this course. When I first got started using points for travel, I was a broke college student with pretty much no credit history and less than $10,000 in annual income. Learning how to do this was a really slow and painful process. There weren't very good resources, and I wasted a ton of time looking for the information I needed, and I made a ton of mistakes and learned a lot the hard way. However, the outcome of all that effort is that I'm now able to book a flight anywhere I want, whenever I want, and spend only a couple $100s. And even better, points and travel hacking have unlocked luxury travel. So the business and first class seats that are typically only reserved for the super rich. Last year, I booked 20 international flights and spent a total of about $1,000. And about half of those flights were in business and first class, all the long ones. And so those tickets typically retail for $5,000, $10,000, or even $20,000. So the goal of this course is to deliver that outcome for you in a lot less time and with a lot less effort. Teaching this was extremely important to me. I think travel makes the world a better place, and I think it shouldn't just be for the people that have a lot of extra money to spend. So in 2012, I started a travel agency called Instructor, and I now work full-time helping people earn and redeem points for travel. We manage hundreds of millions of points, and we book travel every single day. And we took all that knowledge and distilled it into this course so that we can help you learn how to do this on your own. So I'm really excited to get started. Thank you again for being here, and we'll see you inside the next lesson.